Hello
Hello
everyone.
everyone.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello
Hi
everyone.
Prakash.
Hi Savik. Hello everyone. I'm Prakash Tomar and I welcome you all to the second episode of TDSM project discussion series. What is TDSM? TDSM stands for Technology, Development, Software and more. In today's session, we'll be discussing the project Baterlink, which has done a great improvement in Diversion 2K22. So, on today's podcast, we have the project lead himself and one of the core contributors of the project Baterlink. So, hello guys, can you two briefly introduce yourself to the audience?
So myself Chaithak Gorai and I am CSE undergrad from IM Kolkata and I am the project lead for Baterlink.
Hello guys. I'm Shovik Ojha, CS undergrad from IM Kolkata. I am one of the contributor of the project Baterlink.
Thank you guys. Now, moving on to the discussion part, can you all tell the audience that what is your project? Like a brief and a crisp intro of it in a non technical manner.
Yeah. We are making a project on Web3, and our idea basically stands on an NFT marketplace where anyone can create, mint, and even trade NFTs. Even the gateway we will bring in those Ethereum transactions. We are making our project on Ethereum. Okay, by the way, so the gateway will be of our own only. Okay, and as basically the our project will be deployed on the current Ethereum blockchain. Okay.
Yeah. After listening to your answer, I just wanted to know that why did you choose this particular project idea? Like, what was your aim when you thought in your mind that yes, I have to work on this topic?
We were one night we were learning new things, and the Web3 technology is completely new to the web development. So we have decided that why not we bring a new project and work on it. So we came across the idea of the Baterlink. This not only help us to participate in the diversion, but also help us to have a confidence about the things we are learning, so we can implement those things in our projects, and this way the Baterlink came up.
Okay, so as both of you told about a specific term, Web 3.0, so I guess that this will be the main technology or the main concept on which the project Butterlink will be revolving around. So I'd just like to
Yeah.
know that can you elaborate more about Web 3.0 so that our audience can get knowledge more about this topic?
Okay, so Web3, or the we all know it as Web 3.0, is a term you may have heard thrown around a lot lately. It simply refers to the next iteration or the next generation of the internet that promotes the decentralized protocols, or using a number of systems in place of one protocol which we use currently today. The companies like Amazon, Netflix, YouTube, what they do basically they use a database, which is Web 2 concept by the way, where the data can be stored and is under control of one person, where hence this system is centralized. So Web 3 here brings us a way of storing data in a decentralized system and aims to reduce dependency on a large tech company. Okay, basically you can say that it is a replacement of database we use today, where the admin has a control to change the data. Here in blockchain, anyone, even the creator, also cannot change the data without your permission. So that's a power of Web3.
Okay, so thank you for that specific answer. I just like to know that what are the main technical aspects of this particular project? Like, what are the tech stack that you will be working on, technologies that you will be using in your project, and can you give a technical overview of Barterlink?
Every project have a two part. One is the front end and other is the back end. So for the front end part, we are focusing on Next.js, which is very new technology, and it is very much powerful for the front end part. And for the back end part, we are using Solidity smart contracts, which will be used to write the code for the transferring or buying or selling the NFTs. It is completely written on the Solidity language itself. And as our friend Sobik said that it is completely a decentralized system. So the storage system for our website should also be decentralized. So we are using IPFS storage system, which is a decentralized storage system. That means that there is not a single organization who are holding that storage. It is based on the nodes. The storage is completely divided into different nodes. Apart from this, we are also using Chainlink, which is a data source for the blockchain network, because the data coming from the outside should also have no prior user. So if data is coming from the outside, it should be also decentralized. So Chainlink interacts between the outer world and the blockchain network. So Chainlink can be very much useful in this. So these are the technical overview for our project.
Okay, thank you for that answer. Like till far I have listened right now. So after listening to your explanations, I've made up a summary, if I'm not wrong, that you have devised a problem statement first, and you also found a goal to achieve at the end of this event diversion 2K22. But I just wanted to know that what type of people or in which domain of techies are you aiming that they will be using your particular project, Baterlink?
So you know that metaverse, we all have heard the term metaverse. Cryptocurrency is on boom right now. You can see right now everyone has a craze on cryptos. It shows us that we are slowly but steadily moving towards a digital world. So it's basically a marketplace of a digital world, with the project which I'm making. Anyone entering to this digital world will be our target audience, and that's a specific thing. And we all know that this type of world is surely coming soon, as we all know. Okay.
So, as you clearly specified your answer, I just like to know that you are aiming a particular department of crypto people, like who will be loving crypto type of things. I just wanted to know that apart from this, how you aim to scale up your projects so that the different kind of people like who are not related to crypto markets or who are not related to NFTs, how they will be involving in a project, or how you will be making them to use your project Barterlink.
Okay, so moving back to the history of ancient finance, if you remember, there was a system named as barter system. So at that time there was no currency. People used to exchange good among themselves. But now at a present, people are moving from cash to cashless system. At a bit advanced, we are moving back to the old days where the barter system was there. So in the modern world, in the Web3 world, the people are using tokens or crypto coins. These are like the barter system where we exchange the coins or buy or transfer some goods. So keeping this idea on mind, we have decided to scale up our project by making a portal where anyone can exchange any type of coins, be it Ethereum or crypto or the Bitcoin or anything else. Even we are making an idea to create our own coin, which can be used to buy the NFTs, which will be sold on our marketplace. So these are some of the ideas which we are going to implement in upcoming future to scale up our project.
Okay, so I just like to know that while working on a particular open source project, people like there might be some issues that are faced by communities while working on a particular project. But I just like to know from you that how in your project Barterlink, how open source or especially I would say Diversion 2K22 event has helped you in building and scaling up your project.
Yeah, so as we said earlier that we are too much beginner for this technology. We not yet know much about it. So we surely need person help from other contributors. So why not make this as an open source project? So Diversion give us this platform to host our project and get contributors for contributing in different technologies. Uh, where we have found many contributors from different having different skills. Apart from this technical help, we have also got an opportunity to interact with our seniors and also the mentors who are mentoring our projects. Not only this, we are also have an opportunity to connect with them in the LinkedIn, chat about them about the new technologies. So these are the many things which we are benefited by participating in this diversion event. We are thankful for that.
Yeah. So, as you mentioned about mentors, seniors, I'd just like to ask you that while working on an open source project, people usually get stuck in some issues or challenges they face during the project. So, in your project Barterlink, like I would like to know that what are the challenges or issues that you have faced till now or you will be facing in near future, and how you think that how you'll be resolving those.
Yeah, so every coin has two faces. Since this technology has much more potential, so we are surely got benefited from this. But also on the other hand, there are demerits also because of the new technology. The the solutions for the bugs are very much hard to found. Even there are very much less resources in which we can learn about the new technologies. Also, as you know that some of the technologies are not stable yet to use, so if we are using these technologies, we might got some security issues or bugs. So these are the main issues we are facing right now. Also, there is some competition in this field, much more competition, so we have to work hard to get in the race, to be in the race.
Yeah. So as you clearly mentioned that there is a competition very much like the competition bar is set very much high. The reason behind that is because in Divergent 2K 2022, like we have 50 plus projects and we have 500 plus contributions, edit contributors attached toward this event. Also, he talked about like mentorship. So yeah, you'll also be supported by mentors in our community. Before moving on to the comment section for questions, I would like to just ask a fun question with you. That what is the best compliment that you have received while working on the project?
We have got many compliments, but the best one was it was not a compliment, by the way. When everyone, even our juniors, were eager to join our project when we have explained it to the idea, even some seniors also approached us. We got invitations from LinkedIn communities too. That was a great time when we got it, you know.
Yeah, yeah, I got that point. So
Yeah.
moving on to the comment box for the question, there is a question raised in the comment box. As there are various NFT marketplaces present like OpenSea, XE Marketplace, etc. So how your project is different from those platforms? How you are going to keep
Okay.
your project Baterlink above those?
Yeah, that was such a nice question and tricky question. So, as we said that we are making an all-in-one Web3 website where we are not only having the NFT marketplace, but also we are having the transaction system, building our own cryptocurrency, and this all. Apart from this, since we can't disclose it too much publicly, but we are planning to make a system that in as you compare other NFT
By the
marketplace that
way, yeah, I
yeah,
must
yeah.
tell add up one thing with Chatak that this marketplaces where OpenSea, XZ Marketplace, they sell a specific kind of NFTs, but we won't sell any specific kind of NFTs. We would sell only NFTs. So I think everyone is
Yeah, yeah.
very intelligent enough to know this, to know the difference between the facts.
So
Okay.
Yeah,
I think
definitely.
I should say something about that, add more up to that. So this platform give you a chance to sell your matlab, mint your NFT, but we are having a system that the person who is well enough in this blockchain development, they can found their own algorithm, minting algorithm, which can be used to reduce the gas fees of the gas fees for the NFT. And this is a very new idea, and too much research is going on. So this is the unique thing we are having in our marketplace, that where you can give your own algorithm to mint your NFT, and this will reduce the uh, cost of the NFT in bringing it to the Ethereum blockchain. It can might cost you $100, or it might cost you $1 based on the your algorithm.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I must
Uh,
add up that there are many automation techniques also in our project. So everyone will be getting see it. It's an open source project, so everyone will be getting access of it. You can see it, but after this diversion ends, when we will be submitting our whole project, we will be showing you the different types of automation techniques which eases the user, where the user can mint an NFT or trade an NFT very easily, which is not available in those platforms like in OpenSea or XY Marketplace, as per the comment section. One of the person commented. Okay.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
thank you guys for answering all these questions. I hope the questions asked by the users or audience attached with us in this beautiful event must have been answered. So I would like to thank both of you for joining with me in this podcast session series. Also, I would like to say that I hope that you will achieve the aim that you have thought of in your mind while participating in this event. Also, hope you win the event. I just say that all the best to you. And I would also like to thank the audience who are attached with us in this beautiful podcast session. Also, apart from that, I'd just like to say in the end that if you want to connect with these two people regarding blockchain or Web 3.0, you can get the social handles of these two LinkedIn IDs in the description box. Also, if you want to connect with the speaker myself, so you can also get the LinkedIn ID of mine attached in the description box. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you everyone. That was very
Thank you,
nice
everyone.
talking
That
with
was
you.
a very nice session. Yeah.
Yeah,
Too. Thank you.
thank you everyone.
Good evening.